This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. Nice ranch home with 2 bedrooms, large living room, kitchen and dining have newer laminate floors. Main floor laundry. Nice enclosed porch with a large window. Oversized 2-stall garage attached. All room and lot dimensions are estimated. Buyer to verify. All offers to be submitted at www.firmproperties.com. This house was built prior to 1978. Lead-based paint potential exists. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob McGinnis at 712-255-7310.